What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. It's your boy Shane the Great, and Bitcoin, guys, it went all the way to 76k if I'm not mistaken, about 76k, 75,800 to be exact, a few days ago, Monday. Today's Thursday as I'm recording this, and right now we're at 69k. So pretty much we dropped all the way about 8 to 9% since the local high. I'm pretty sure in the last video I made on the channel, I did say that something like this would happen. Or the other scenario was also us just breaking out even further, all the way to potentially 80k or 78k. But obviously that did not happen. And I do think we are probably going to be maybe seeing a bounce from here above, or we target the lower levels of the range, which is around 65k, which is 6% down from here. But if we look at the liquidation heat map, if you guys don't know, I mean, I say this in almost every video, I'm gonna just say quickly, pretty much the price follows whatever the liquidation levels are on either side of the price. So obviously the reason why we went down was there was so many people going long, meaning that their liquidation prices were set low. And that's for people who use futures, who trade on the futures market. I personally trade spot. Sometimes I trade futures, so like I don't really get into that. But either way, there's so much money that's traded on the futures market to where it affects the price, the spot price. So yeah, but right now there are also some liquidations going up because a lot of people are now going short, meaning it's the opposite. So if you're betting short, that means your liquidation price will be set high. It'll be set above the price. And if we look at the heat map on CoinGlass, we can see there's some liquidations piling up here, 82 million. We got another, 50 to 80 million right here at 71, and just goes further. This is a short time frame, but we still have a bit more below at 65,800. We just hit 68,800. Let me refresh this because I was looking at this right before we went down further, before I made this video, because if I go back to the 5 minute, yeah, we hit 68,800, give or take depending on what exchange you're looking at. Actually, let me go to model 2. Okay, well, we did, okay, there's $35 million of liquidations on a short-term time frame here at 68,500, not much below, so it's more top than below. Then if we go to model 2 and look at 2 weeks, which is a bigger time frame, we will see that we'll see a lot of liquidations probably balanced, like above and below. Oh wow, we're actually seeing more below, which makes sense because we were just at these prices. So if you're able to cash that move, congratulations to you. Unfortunately for me, since I was so busy not really paying attention and also scared of buying due to the Middle East war, I didn't take advantage of this move, but it's all good, not a big deal. But yeah, so right now there's about $130 million worth of leverage or liquidations at 75k, and then there's more at 76, above the local top. But right now there's a lot more below, all the way back to 65. So honestly, the move that I'll be making, which I haven't fully decided yet, is to maybe DCA in now, buy like a few, make small purchases on the way down if that does happen, for anticipation of a move back to above 70k at least. But obviously, we just hit 75, 76k like a few days ago, so I don't think we're gonna go to those prices like right away unless we have so much buying pressure and good news with the overall market. But right now with this Middle East war, guys, if I go to Brick News, it's escalating because, yeah, Iran's still attacking Israel, and the US is still attacking Iran. They're attacking all the natural stuff. Like, for example, yeah, Iran, they destroyed Qatar's 17% of natural gas export capacity from an Iranian strike last night, which happened in Qatar. Repairs could take up to 5 years, which is crazy. That means there's going to be a long-lasting impact on this. And then, yeah, Qatar may declare a force, I don't know what that is, on LNG contracts for up to 5 years, affecting Italy, Belgium, Korea, and China. So that sucks for those countries, but that'll also probably affect us here in North America. And then they're threatening to put taxes on Strait of Hormuz. I don't know if I can find that here, but they pretty much said that. Qatar calls for the US, Israel, Iran to immediately end the war. So guys, it's literally hurting their business, their country's GDP, and yeah, it's just not good all around, guys. Then one more thing before I end off the video. Let me look at Killa. Shout out to him. The CME gap has been filled. If we hold this area, theoretically we have a retest back upwards. Lose this area when we break sub 70k, which the ladder happened. We're at we broke below this magnet here, meaning that we have to get back above 70k soon. If not, we'll probably go back to retest 65k or around those levels, or like 67k. And yeah, that's just unfortunate reality. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. There's not really much to say. Ethereum been doing well the last like a week. I think I did say in yesterday's video, went up like 20% since the lows. If we go right here, yeah, over 20% if you bought around 1900. I mean, you're up 10% if you didn't sell. So I mean, you're still doing okay. And then the S&P, it's currently going down. We were at, you know, almost 7k. It wiped like $2 trillion, I think, yesterday. So it's going down right now. And Ben Cohen and a lot of other smarter people than me called this. And I called this too. I was like, yo, the stock market's overextended. The time for it to crash is soon and now. So, yeah, and also gas, you know, just bing bonging between $100, $90. So it'll probably keep on gradually going up. So be careful with filling up your guys' gas tanks and, you know, driving wherever. I mean, if you can afford it, do whatever. But I mean, I'm still driving out. I don't care. I'm driving to wherever I want. But, you know, I don't think stuff will get better anytime soon, to be honest with you guys, in terms of gas prices and this war. But I do think the US and Israel, they will be probably forced to stop this war, because it's just gonna be causing way too much headaches and what's the word, just too much tensions in terms of like the economy, the markets, and just the world as a whole. Because this really has a rippling effect. Like, I don't know what went through their minds with starting this war. Like, they're just crazy, man. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you all did enjoy, be sure to drop a like and also subscribe, guys. I'll catch y'all next video, guys. God bless, take care, and peace.